Iberian Airways Flight 268 to Barcelona is now ready for boarding. Will all passengers for this flight proceed to Gate 42?
How weather affects parts of the system and how they affect other parts of the system. So it's not just, oh, it's snowing in Detroit, my flight's going to be delayed. It was raining and thunder in Atlanta 3 hours ago, and that is now starting to affect the flights out of Detroit.
So what we're looking at is weather and flight data, and we get that from government bodies NOAA and BTS, and we have about 40 million weather records over the last 10 years and 70 million flight records over the last 10 years. And so we've combined those into one large database, and we're trying to gather insights by combining the two and seeing how the two relate to one another. We mapped the delay data for U.S. airlines, and on the day that we looked at, there was a pretty severe snowstorm that rolled over Chicago in the morning and then moved out to the East Coast later in the afternoon. So from that, you were able to see how delays move across the U.S. by airport and what the effects were on the system for that.